Heading on a family adventure with little ones in tow can be both exhilarating and daunting. From navigating airport terminals to keeping boredom at bay during long road trips, traveling with kids presents unique challenges. However, with the right preparation and strategies in place, it can also be an incredibly rewarding experience for both parents and children alike. In this video, we'll explore a range of practical tips and tricks to make traveling with kids smoother, more enjoyable, and stress-free. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an overseas expedition, these tried and tested strategies will help you create lasting memories while ensuring a seamless journey for the whole family. The video is going to be exciting and valuable, so subscribe to our channel now and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's start. Is traveling with kids safe? Ensuring the safety of children while traveling is a top priority for parents, sparking the question, is traveling with kids safe? While the thought of navigating unfamiliar environments and potential risks can be daunting, with careful planning and precautions, traveling with kids can indeed be safe. From selecting child-friendly accommodations to practicing vigilant supervision in crowded spaces, there are numerous measures parents can take to mitigate risks and ensure a secure travel experience. Additionally, staying informed about local safety regulations and healthcare resources can provide peace of mind while exploring new destinations. While challenges may arise, the joy of witnessing a child's wonder and curiosity as they discover the world often outweighs the concerns, making family travel a fulfilling and enriching experience. How is travel with kids different to adult travel? Traveling with kids presents a unique set of challenges and rewards that distinguish it from adult travel experiences. Unlike adult travelers who may prioritize adventure and exploration, families with children often need to consider factors such as child-friendly accommodations, suitable dining options, and age-appropriate activities. The pace of travel tends to be slower, with frequent breaks and adjustments to accommodate children's needs and preferences. Additionally, parents must navigate logistics such as packing essentials, managing strollers or car seats, and ensuring safety measures are in place. Despite these logistical considerations, traveling with kids offers unparalleled opportunities for shared experiences and bonding as a family. Witnessing the world through a child's eyes adds a sense of wonder and excitement to every journey, making family travel a uniquely rewarding adventure. Let's move toward the tips that you should follow while traveling with the kids. Number 10. Choose the right destination. When planning your family vacation, it's essential to consider destinations that cater to families. Look for places that offer a variety of attractions suitable for children of different ages. Seek out family-friendly accommodations such as resorts or hotels with amenities like playgrounds, pools, and spacious family suites. Number 9. Plan age-appropriate activities. Tailor your activities to match your children's interests and energy levels. Research and make reservations for attractions or events that require advance booking to ensure availability. Aim for a mix of educational, recreational, and cultural experiences suitable for your kids. Number 8. Pack smart. Creating a packing checklist is crucial for a smooth trip. Remember to include extra clothing, diapers, wipes, and any necessary medications. Don't forget snacks, drinks, and entertainment items like books, toys, and electronic devices to keep your children engaged during the journey. Number 7. Seat kids away from the aisle. Idle seats can be risky for toddlers as they provide a little too much freedom of movement. Little hands and feet can get bumped as people walk by, and hot coffee or water may be within reach when the food and beverage cart passes. If possible, opt for the window seat. It offers a view and positions you between your toddler and other passengers in your row. Safety first. Number 6. Select suitable transportation. Evaluate different transportation options and choose the one that best suits your family's needs. Consider factors such as distance, duration, and cost. If flying or taking a train, book child-friendly options and reserve seats together in advance. If traveling by car, ensure you have the proper car seats and plan for frequent breaks to keep your children comfortable. Number 5. Find family-friendly accommodations. When planning a family vacation, prioritize accommodations specifically designed for families. Look for hotels, resorts, or vacation rentals that offer spacious rooms, play areas, pools, and other amenities suitable for children. When making reservations, don't hesitate to request items like cribs, high chairs, or baby gates to ensure a comfortable stay for your family. Number 4. Maintain routines and flexibility. Consistency is key, especially when it comes to bedtime routines. Try to stick to your regular sleep schedule as much as possible to help your children adjust to new sleeping environments. However, also allow for flexibility in your itinerary. Traveling with kids can bring unexpected changes, so leave room for downtime and relaxation to avoid overwhelming your schedule. Number 3. Keep kids entertained. Long journeys can be challenging for children, so it's essential to keep them engaged. Pack a variety of entertainment options, such as books, coloring books, puzzles, or tablets loaded with age-appropriate apps or movies. Interactive games, sing-alongs, and storytelling can also make the journey enjoyable for everyone. Number 2. Stay organized. Organization is your best friend during family travel. Use labeled bags or packing cubes to keep essentials organized and easily accessible. Designate a travel document holder to keep passports, boarding passes, and other important papers together. Staying organized reduces the chances of misplacing crucial items during your trip. Number 1. Embrace the unexpected. Despite meticulous planning, unexpected situations can arise. Stay calm and patient when faced with meltdowns or changes in plans. Be prepared to adjust your itinerary as needed. Seek local assistance or medical help promptly if required. Remember, flexibility and adaptability are essential for a successful family vacation. How travel with children is hugely beneficial. Traveling with children offers a plethora of benefits that extend far beyond mere sightseeing. Exposing children to diverse cultures, landscapes, and experiences from a young age fosters a sense of curiosity, empathy, and cultural awareness. It provides valuable opportunities for learning and personal growth as children encounter new languages, customs, and ways of life, broadening their perspectives and understanding of the world. Family travel also strengthens familial bonds, fostering shared memories and experiences that create a strong sense of connection. Moreover, navigating unfamiliar environments and overcoming challenges together instills resilience and adaptability in children, valuable life skills that will serve them well in the future. Ultimately, traveling with children not only enriches their lives, but also deepens the parent-child relationship, creating lasting benefits that extend well beyond the journey itself. Conclusion: by prioritizing careful planning, flexibility, and patience, parents can ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience for the whole family. From packing essentials to keeping children entertained during transit, each tip serves to enhance comfort and safety while fostering unforgettable moments of exploration and discovery. By following these tips and approaching travel with an open mind and adventurous spirit, families can create lasting memories and instill a lifelong love of exploration in their children. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Which of these tips did you find the most impressive one? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.